This course is an introduction to the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, which came into force on the 25th of May, 2018. One of the requirements of the GDPR is that employees are aware of both their responsibilities to customer data, and also the company's responsibility towards the employee.
This course will take the key elements of the GDPR and will give you an understanding of the importance placed on the security of personal data in a technologically complex world.
Please note that the course refers to the European Union and European Economic Area, and although the United Kingdom is no longer a part of the EU, the GDPR still applies as it has been integrated into the Data Protection Act 2018.
The course is divided into different modules. At the end of the course, you will be able to take a short quiz, which will test your knowledge of the material covered.
On completion of the quiz, you will be able to demonstrate that you are aware of the basic elements of the GDPR and how they relate to you and your organization.
Each module of this course is in the form of a video. Feel free to watch each module as often as you need to, or even pause or rewind the videos as you see fit, to think about the information given to you and process it, or to simply progress at your own pace.
Objective 1 is to understand the overall context of the GDPR.
Objective 2 is to think about how the GDPR relates to your company and its clients.
Objective 3, to understand your company's responsibilities to you, regarding your personal data. The General Data Protection Regulation has a large number of elements. However, we can limit ourselves to a few basics. We will be looking at the following topics in more detail throughout the course. History. A brief history of the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR. Personal data. What is personal data and how is it stored? Data protection principles. The principles which must be followed when dealing with personal data and the bases that can be used to legally process personal data. Data subject rights. The rights of the individual to whom the data belongs. International data transfers. The free movement of data inside the European Economic Area, EEA, and how data can be moved to other countries. Data controllers and processors. Who owns individuals' personal data and who uses it. Data security and data breaches. How data should be protected and what happens when data is breached. Accountability. Conducting risk assessments, protecting data during processing, and demonstrating compliance. Supervisory authorities and data protection officers, who oversees the application of the regulation both inside an organization and within the UK. This is the end of our Module 1, Introduction. You can now move on to Module 2, Data Privacy History.